they're going along with me. Hi guys, and welcome back to Veeology. Well, today guys, I am bringing you a sponsored video from Vont. Vont is a smart light company, and guys, they sent me over a package for you. For me to go and advertise to you guys. You know, your young people and even older people now are using strip lights. So guys, I am going to unpackage and unbox this to let you know all the specs on these lights. Okay guys, here's the information on the Vont Smart LED strip lights. They are 16.4 foot long. They are LED lights, strip, and they are compatible with your Alexa and your Google Home. The bright lights are 50/50 RGB LED, and they are stripped. Guess what guys, they can even dance the beat of the music that you provide from your Alexa or your Google Home. You can switch them from a warm white to a bright color. And you can choose from 16 million colors that sync with the music to match your mood. Groove with the Move mode. It plays your favorite music and dance along in different arrays of colors with the beat to the music. Guys, you will see this on the video. It's hands-free command, so you don't have to touch anything. Just go ahead and plug it in with your Alexa or your Google Assistant. Switch from colors that you want, and you can turn it on and off, and from dim to bright. Guys, these lights are everything. You can also control this by simply adding in the app to your phone. So you don't have to go in to click the remotes on and off to switch the settings. You can do it all by your phone. So guys, this has no hub required. And at this point guys, you know what I'm getting ready to do. I am going to set them up, and I'm going to add them onto my mirror. So I'm going to set them up, and I'm going to show you exactly what these lights from Vont can do. So first guys, I want to show you how easy it is. They have the female and the male parts. The only thing you do is put them together, push, and they snap right in place. So they have the grooves that align up to let you know they are together. So you are also provided with the plug, and you just plug it into your outlet wherever you want this to be located. And you also have the other piece that will be connected along with your remote. So in this clip, you will see all of how you connect it all together. So are you ready? Bam! Here it is. Look at that. So beautiful. So I want to go ahead and do like a test drive, and let's see, that's the off. And this little remote is so handy. You don't have to get up and down because you do put this on your app on your phone. So here I'm just changing all of the colors. Also, I'm going to do a different function which will make it dance, but once I get it all completely set up, I will show you on my mirror. My mirror is a 42 by 42 round mirror. I thought that would be a great place to put this. So guys, look at there. There's like, you remember the disco lights? Yes. It's like grooving to the beat. Yes. So guys, let's go ahead to the next step, and that is putting this in place. So guys, that is the beginning of this video, of this sponsorship. And guys, I decided, a few weeks ago, I showed you my staircase and that huge 42 by 42 mirror. So what I have decided is to add those lights around that mirror. So guys, let's go ahead and add that. And because the staircase is dark, my husband and my 22-year-old are forever turning on the staircase lights to come up and down the stairs at night. Don't ask why, we've been in this house for years. But anyway, I am gonna add those lights on that mirror and I wanna see what it's going to do. I'm not gonna use a 3M tape because I may move it, or if I don't like it, I will move it. But for right now, I am gonna tape it, just using just regular tape because I wanna make sure that I do wanna keep that on that mirror. So let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Okay guys, we have officially, you see they're going along with me, officially turned on the lights guys. We do have it hooked to my Google Home, and if you can see, it is very sensitive. Every time I say something, it blinks and changes colors. Hey Google, turn off staircase lights.
Sorry, it looks like that device hasn't been set up yet. You can do that in Assistant Settings.
So if you don't have your device hooked up the correct way, it will tell you that through your Google or your Alexa. Hey Google, turn off VeeHive.
To turn off your speaker, unplug it from the power source. To tell me to turn off other devices that have been added to the Google Home app, include the name of the device in your request.
So in order for my lights to completely turn off, I will say this. Okay guys, we have officially set it up. My kids had to help me to put this stuff together. You know, they know this electronic type stuff. So guys, I had to go on and add in this for my lights. So you go right through your app, add it through your app. It's super duper easy. Well, I wouldn't know, my kids did it. Also, I moved my Google Home, so now the Google Home is now here. My son bought me the Google Home about 3 years ago for my birthday. So if you have an Alexa, it works perfect with your Alexa. But our staircase here, our staircase from the floor to the ceiling is about 20 to 21 inches tall. So this staircase, guys, can get very dark. So with it being very dark, my son and my husband, they have the thing. They always turn on the lights to go up and down the staircase. So now with this, the only thing we have to do is talk to it and it will cut on and off on its own. So now I'm going to give you the demonstration of what the lights can do. And also guys, guess what? She can jam to music. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it will do when I cut off the staircase light. So it's going to be kind of dark, but I'm going to show you what the lights will do. Okay guys, so of course you can't hardly see me, but you can see a reflection from downstairs because it is during the day. But nevertheless, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know what it can do. So hey Google, turn on hallway lights.
Got it. Turning VeeHive on.
Oh my gosh, and of course you see I did name it the VeeHive, and guys, look at here. Every time I say something, it will definitely change colors, and it goes along with the beat of my voice. So guys, do I absolutely love this? Yes, I do. So just coming up and down the staircase, you can just say, hey Google, turn off VeeHive. And it's gonna tell you.
Sure, turning off VeeHive. Sorry, it looks like 3 lights aren't available right now.
So it automatically turned this off for you. So the other cool thing is, guys, of course, you know my son does music. So I am going to pull him up and I am going to let it play music. So he did just drop some recent music. So I think this is the one that I love. So you're gonna see, hey Google, turn stair hall lights on.
Okay, turning VeeHive on.
So it's gonna go along with the music. So nice. Hey Google, pause. So guys, this is what this light will do. I absolutely love it so far. I'm not even gonna say so far because I know it's gonna come in also handy to turn the lights on and off in the staircase. And guys, you know, I recently purchased this mirror. It is a 42 by 42 round. So it is huge, but the length of the smart light strip, it went all the way around my mirror, and also I put the rest of it inside the vase. You can cut this off and buy an adapter to make it another light in a different part if you choose to. So I just wanted this, and I did not want to cut it off, so I did just add the additional piece inside the vase. So guys, besides it giving you light, whatever color you choose, you have your remote control. And also guys, I can play music right here. My office is right here on this side. You see my hand, my office is that way, downstairs is that way. So I can be in the kitchen and I can just have the Google Home just playing music with the lights off. But at night, if my husband and my son come down, they can just turn the lights off by saying, hey Google, turn on hallway lights.
Got it. Turning VeeHive on.
That is so super cool. So I love this, but this is a company that I will definitely recommend to you. I absolutely love this. It is so many different things that you can do with it, and that's what I love. You also have your app on your phone. You can change the colors with that app. You can use it with your Alexa, and just like me, I'm using mine with my Google Home. So guys, this is how my staircase look now. I am gonna bring you a little bit closer to show you what my staircase look like now with the color that I absolutely love. And I know all you gonna say, okay, she gonna turn on green. Nope, you know that's one of my favorite colors, my pink and my green, but I'm not going to choose that color. I want something that's very serene, but at night would be bright enough to come up and down the staircase. So guys, I want to thank the company. You reached out to me, and I'm telling you, I have a lot of companies reach out to me and all, but I would say I absolutely love this product. My kids have lights in their bedroom, but I have some in my bedroom, and I bought those from Five Below, and guys, those lights did not last that long. So these, I would definitely say, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep these here, but definitely these lights will stay here. Okay, so Vont, thank you so much for sponsoring your girl with this video. You will be able to see the link down below of how you can purchase these lights on your own. They also sell other products. So guys, this is my lights in my staircase, and I am absolutely loving it. And as you still can see, it's going along right along with my voice. So I'm gonna play some music so you can see exactly, yeah, what they can do.
You keep coming over, I keep calling you. I know it's so well, but that's my problem. When it's late, I know I get a lot from you. The others don't compete, so don't bother. Lord, it hit me up and say you had to know. Then you coming over trying to solve it. Say you over me and over fake love. And that you gon' forget, but you keep calling. If I'm on the song, can't listen when you talking. Tell me what, but now I'm trying to talk it through the film. Say that's you want me to yourself, but you unveil. Asking me to park it on the side block now. I get in the coupe for the glass for the thrill. Complain about the love for the small talk now. If you want a mother, you'll leave me alone for real. But you keep coming over, you calling you. I know I said whatever, that's my problem. When it's later, now I get a lot from you. The other stop a piece of my problem. Lord, they hit me up and say you had to know. They ain't coming over trying to solve it. Say you over me.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up my video. And click the link below and use my discount code to get your likes today. Bye guys.